आप देख रहे हैं News@24।
Hi, I'm Anuradha and I'm founder of My Precious Life, Rising Eagle and Bella Events. And I'm a social worker as well. I'm chaplain with the fire department and West Care in US. And यहाँ पे भी I do a lot of things and mainly my life is dedicated for the society. और my team is amazing. मेरा ये मानना है हम पैसे कमा सकते हैं और वेल्थ कमा सकते हैं, एसेट्स बना सकते हैं, लेकिन हम लॉयल पीपल आसानी से पा नहीं सकते. ये गॉड्स गिफ्ट है एंड आई बिलीव दैट माय ग्रेटेस्ट एसेट्स आर माय पीपल. All my designers, I really thank them for supporting me with this cause, and I would really congratulate all the participants. वो सब कुछ उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया था and during this process my aim is that I raise the people who will care for others. हमारा इस बार का उद्देश्य था कि हम सुसाइड प्रिवेंशन के लिए अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करें, क्योंकि इंडिया इज नंबर 1 राइट नाउ इन पीपल कमिटिंग सुसाइड. हमारे फार्मर्स, हमारे डिवोर्सीज एंड बहुत सारे महिलाएं जो हैंडल नहीं कर पाती हैं घर का प्रेशर, और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत यंग स्टूडेंट्स, कुछ कम मार्क्स आ गए या फिर सही करियर नहीं मिला इसलिए खुदकुशी कर लेते हैं. सो दिस टाइम वी रियली वांट टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस कि लाइफ इज प्रेशियस, जिंदगी बहुत कीमती है और अगर आप संघर्ष से गुजर रहे हैं तो कोई ना कोई रास्ता निकल जाएगा. If I have to tell the young people one word is do not give up. Do not give up because you had a breakup. Do not give up because you lost in business. Do not give up कि कुछ कम मार्क्स आ गए. Do not give up कि आपको अपना सही करियर नहीं मिला. Do not give up that somebody rejected you. Do not give up under all circumstances. क्योंकि रास्ता निकल ही आता है. अगर किसी ने आपको दिल दुखाया है या रिजेक्शन दी है, I want to assure you कि आपको बहुत अच्छा इंसान जिंदगी में मिलेगा. अगर एक पार्टनर ने धोखा दिया है, my prayer for you that you will get another good partner in life, business partner in life. I would just tell you one thing. लंबा सांस लीजिए and tell yourself that I will never give up. And I really want to speak to our authorities. हमारा देश अभी बहुत तरक्की कर रहा है. We are really doing well. And मैं चाहती हूँ कि स्टूडेंट्स पे प्रेशर कैसे हम कम करें, उसकी कोई तरीका हमारी अथॉरिटीज़ ढूंढें. एंड मैं चाहती हूँ कि हमारे सारे अथॉरिटीज़ जो हैं वो मिल के लोगों पे कैसे हम कम से कम स्ट्रेस डालें वो देखें, क्योंकि हर जिंदगी कीमती है. हर जिंदगी एक मकसद से यहाँ दुनिया में आई है और उनको मकसद पूरा करके जाना चाहिए.
I'm Sunita Dugal, a former member of parliament and former IRS officer, and I came here to join this 6th anniversary of LIT, and I really congratulate Anuradha ji, Marcis and all the organizers that they have chosen such a wonderful topic, prevention of suicide. और मुझे मौका मिला इस पर बोलने का, और जिस तरह से फैशन शो और उसके साथ साथ में सुसाइड प्रिवेंशन के ऊपर जिस तरीके से जो है बेनी प्रसाद जी ने अपनी पूरी जर्नी यहाँ पर शेयर की, और 250 के अराउंड जो कंट्रीज उन्होंने विजिट किए, और जिस तरीके से जो फ्लूट को उन्होंने बजा के दिखाया, इट वॉज अमेजिंग. आई विश ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट कि ये इसी तरीके से बहुत अच्छे तरीके से जो है वो ऑल ओवर इंडिया में, बल्कि ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में LIT को जो है वो आगे बढ़ाएं. लिव इन प्राइम. तो आई विश ऑल द बेस्ट.
Hello everyone, I'm Gopika Khatri from Miss Grand Haryana 2026, and I'm here at LIT Beauty Pageant for suicide prevention, and I'm really very grateful to Anuradha ma'am for conducting such a lovely show, and I really want her to conduct more such wonderful shows, because I feel it's very important to educate about all those stuff. And as Miss Grand Haryana, I feel it is such a lovely initiative, and to all the people watching me, I feel your life is precious, and before making such decisions, please talk to someone, because your life is important. And thank you for having me here. It was so lovely witnessing all this life.
हेलो, मेरा नाम टियाना कपूर है. मैं 15 साल की हूँ.
मैंने अभी जस्ट 3 भारत जीता है। ये बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था मेरे लिए। पहली बार था, जब जीती तो बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग लगा। मैं इस क्राउड से बहुत चीज़ें कर सकती हूँ, मैं लोगों की मदद कर सकती हूँ, ऐसे बहुत सारे शोज कर सकती हूँ जिससे लोगों तक ये पहुँचे। तो थैंक यू अगर आपने ये शो देखा। Hi, I'm Anmol. I am the LIT Miss Bharat pageant winner, and the experience for LIT was really something very different. I have never tried something like this in my entire life. And I really went with the logo ki zindagi na milegi dobara, and I really went for the cause. So, suicide prevention is something that is really close to my heart. Mental health एक बहुत बड़ा टैबू है इंडिया में, and we don't really talk much about it. And ये ऐसा पैशन था जहाँ पे लोगों के लुक्स को साइड पे रख के सोशल कॉज को ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दी गई, and that was really something that convinced me to do this pageant. And having won the title of LIT Miss Bharat, this is like a big responsibility on my shoulders. So I'm going to make the best out of it. And yes, I know the journey ahead is going to be beautiful.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonali and I'm from Delhi. So I want to testify myself that this is a very good platform where we can express everything. Because it's just not about the beauty, but the beauty one comes when the soul is good. When you are truly with pure soul, so it brings the beauty. My name is Iviana June and I study in 5 masters, and this is my second or third time I did this ramp walk, and it was amazing, and I won a title and a crown, and I am the junior LIT 26 title I got, and it's very good and I like it too much.
Hi, good evening. My name is Deepa Pal. I have won Mrs. Bharat first runner-up, and from LIT I have been like a part of LIT from last 2 years. So this platform gives me a lot of things in my life, considering confidence to the stage fear. And if I talk about the topic of suicide prevention, so I want to tell you about suicide prevention, that if somebody is facing some issues and you are seeing that person personally, so you might see a changes. Might be he is not talking, she is not doing the regular things. So that time you have an alert to tell them that you are not alone and this time might shall pass. So thank you so much LIT for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, myself Manakshi Dureja. So I won 2 titles in LIT 2026. One is Miss Unshakable Confidence, and another is Miss LIT Elegance 2026. So I love this platform because this is the only platform where you can talk openly about depression, anxiety, suicide prevention. So this makes this somehow very different and very unique from other events. So I pray to God that Anuradha Das ji will organize more and more such kind of events who can create awareness in the society about suicide prevention, and so that people can talk about depression, anxiety, because we know more than 50% of the population is facing depression or anxiety, but somehow society don't take it in a positive way. It is taken as taboo still, but I'm very thankful to Anuradha Das ji for organizing such a wonderful event where people can talk about such issues and share their experience.
मेरा नाम मनमोहन कपूर है, मेरी एज 52 है, मैं बादशाहपुर से रहने वाला हूँ, गुड़गांव। बहुत बढ़िया रहा जी एक्सपीरियंस, मज़ा आया। LIT के साथ ये काम करके मिस्टर भारत का ये विनर लेके बहुत मज़ा आया। अनुराधा जी मैम जो कार्य कर रही हैं सुसाइड प्रिवेंशन को लेके, हम उनको पूरा सपोर्ट करेंगे। हमारी एक संस्था भी है रोटरी क्लब के नाम से, तो हम इंटरनेशनल रोटरी क्लब, तो उनके साथ मिलके हम उनको पूरा सपोर्ट देंगे।
Hi, I'm Mira, and I have won
the first runner-up Miss Bharat today. I am so grateful for the opportunity today, and I would love to share my experience, how mentally strong we can be, how other external forces should not be affecting us personally, that lead to anxiety, nervousness, depression, and even suicidal tendencies. I want to be a voice for this and help heal. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Vedant. I'm in grade 9. I'm 14 years old. I study in Vega Schools and I just won the first prize in the teens category. And overall, it was a really great experience. I had a lot of fun and I'm extremely grateful for this opportunity.
Hi, नमस्कार, दिस है डॉक्टर दिलजीत सिंह डोगरा और आई एम डूइंग द पीआर मीडिया। और कैसे लगा? और कैसा लगा आपको ये क्राउन विन करके?
मुझे तो बहुत 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 अच्छा लगा। माय फर्स्ट टाइम
ओके, तो मुझे आपने बहुत सारे इवेंट्स अटेंड करे होंगे, तो आपको क्या इसमें यूनिक चीज दिखी?
एक्चुअली क्या है कि मैंने कोई इवेंट अटेंड ही नहीं किया। मेरा फर्स्ट फैशन एंड दिस फर्स्ट इवेंट।
और आपको अनुराधा दास मैम के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहिए?
मैं अनुराधा मैम के बारे में यही कहना चाहूंगी कि जो वो मोटिवेट करते ना, आई थिंक करनी चाहिए।
और सुसाइड प्रिविलेज पे आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? जो आज की यूथ है, आज की जनरेशन है, वो सुसाइड कर लेते हैं सारी चीजों पे, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं उनके बारे में यही बोलना चाहूंगी कि सुसाइड जो है हमारे लिए, सुसाइड एक रोकथाम है। उसके लिए ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि हमारा जीवन यहीं पर अंत हो गया। हमारा जीवन हमें एक नई शुरुआत करनी चाहिए, उसको अंत नहीं करना चाहिए।
Thank you so much for your precious time.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kritika. So it has been 4 years being associated with LIT Bharat. So this particular show is really close to my heart because it's not like other shows. We have a message which we try to communicate to everyone through the medium of fashion, because fashion of course is something which everyone is interested about. So every year we come forward with different messages which we want to give to the society, and this year it was on suicide prevention, to raise an awareness among everyone and to be a platform not just for models, for everyone. In our show, like, we have everyone being a part of it, be it a housemaker or be it a professional doctor, be it a lawyer or be it a corporate employee like me.
What is your message for the youth? They mostly doing the suicide prevention.
So the message for the youth would be थोड़ा सा फ़ोन से बाहर आके अपने दोस्तों के साथ रहो, अपनों के साथ रहो, अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहो, एंड जब भी ऐसा लगे कि आपको किसी की ज़रूरत है, बस बोल के देखो, बिकॉज हमेशा कोई ना कोई साथ होगा आपके।
So how's your experience with work with Anuradha Das?
So my experience has been wonderful. So in this show, I was the showstopper for Matritva. So she, with her brand, just connected with motherhood, because Matritva is motherhood. So yes, it was an honor to work as a showstopper, and with Anuradha ma'am being a model for Asma Collection, which is her brand. So it has really been a wonderful experience with the clothes, with the way she has connected with everyone, with every people, with every heart that she touches.
Thank you so much for your precious time.
Thank you.
Namaste and hello everyone. I'm Shubha Khanna. I am a wellness coach from North Institute, that's my brand, and I'm a yoga Pilates and dance teacher by profession. I have been with LIT for past 6 seasons. This is my 6th season with them, and I've been with Anuradha ma'am for almost 12 years now, and it's been a great journey so far. In LIT, I'm the lead facilitator with all the modules and contestants. I help them to build emotional resilience and deal with their mental pressures and also work on their physical health. Today I walked for 2 of the designers. One was Matritva and one was Asma Collection, and it was a wonderful experience to be part of such an event. This event comes with a vision of suicide prevention, which is a great it's a great cause to work for because we recently also we had many cases of suicide. You see, young kids are giving up on their lives so easily just because of small failure or just because they feel they are rejected or sometimes they feel that they are not good enough. But the message of this event and also a message that I would personally like to give is that there is hope. If you keep your faith in place and you believe in a better future, it will all work out. Trust me, giving up your life is not the solution, but every single day living it up to your 100%.
And how's your experiences working with Anuradha Das?
It's been a lovely experience working with Anuradha ma'am. She's somebody who inspires me every day. She is the one who actually taught a lot of us how to walk on the path of forward-facing work. And I'm very, very eternally happy and grateful for her.
Thank you so much for your precious time. Thank you so much, Shubha.